Get bitches right. Get bitches right. I'm like, what the was it? What it was? Bitches right. Get bitches right. Get. Yo, Tabizzle. So my nigga. Nothing. What the was that? Nigga. Can I ask you a question? Question can't answer question still enough, but why you have to ask me? I'm sitting right here, right? Yeah, they say sit down. So how the hell? I'm finna know where no hoes at. I been smashed 2 last week. I asked if you wanted a piece. Brother, you know, you said you was finna you said you was gonna remain a virgin. Trigger ass hoe. Shit. I asked him for no damn host. Nigga. Shit. Jesus. Bro, what hoe, man? Like, you know my bitch left me last week, bro. What kind of hoe you gonna ask me for? Brother, suck! Brother. Shit, you gonna ask me for some hoes, man. I haven't got no hoes in a while. Brother, you see me always jacking off here to music. Shit, my nigga. Aye, Yankee man. May I ask you for the garden hose? Oh! Oh shit! So no that you feel say? Bruh. Me not talking to the slut them when you sleep with every night with brother. You must be blind cause you're not hearing well. Me Jesus, bro. Listen. Give me this. Where you going? Man, I ain't got no hoes in a long time, man. I ain't even know you was talking about no garden hose straight up, B. Shit. Man, cute, man. You can go all you want to go, man. You be talking about hoes, man. You be talking about hoes. What type of hoes you be talking about, man? Oh, garden hose. Shit. I ain't even tripping, man. I didn't even know he was talking about the damn garden hose and shit, man. I thought he was talking about hoe hose. I ain't got no time for you, man. Damn, you too, bro. Shit.